I used to stand so tall, I used to be so strong. Your arms around me tight, everything it felt so right. Unbreakable, like nothing could go wrong. Now I can't breathe, now I can't sleep. I'm barely hanging on. Here I am once again, I'm torn into pieces. Can't deny it, can't pretend. Just thought you were the one, broken up deep inside. But you won't get to see the tears I cry behind these hazel eyes. I told you everything, open up and let you in. You made me feel alright for once in my life. Now all that's left of me is what I pretend to be. So together but so broken up inside. 'Cause I can't breathe.